I'm George Clarke. I've come to this Victorian house to see a very contemporary extension that's hiding round the back. Now, this modern extension has completely opened up the space at the back of the house. The owners have gone for an industrial-style kitchen dining area with polished concrete, steel and exposed brickwork in complete contrast to the historic period features at the front of the house. I love these full-height, full-width sliding doors. They are beautiful. Now, these vertical blinds are a fantastic and practical choice for this space. I just love their neat, streamlined design. They work perfectly for this edgy space. I just adore how versatile these blinds are. You can make so many beautiful adjustments to change the quality of light and the amount of privacy in the space. Just gives you little glimpses out to the garden. Stunning.